Design thinking is one of those things that sounds quite intangible, but at the same time is also something that is very prevalent in industry. And it was really great to show some more tangible approaches to design thinking and give a bunch of younger students a really good handle on what it is and how they can apply it.
As a teacher, I've loved to see them develop those skills and the passion, and actually watching the evolution of the idea. So more outside the box thinking. Some of the things I think that the children have learned is to rely on each other as a team, and that everybody's point is valid.
The most important thing I've learnt today is that when you come up with ideas, come up with all of them, no matter how crazy it is, and that even your craziest ideas can turn into your best ideas.
The most important thing I learned today was the process that innovators take to solve many of our modern day problems.
And what we learnt today at the session was taking a step back from an issue and getting a new perspective is the best way to go about a problem.
Today we came in not really knowing what to expect, but we're really glad we came and got to experience this. It was really good to be challenged in different ways.
The hardest thing for me was being really creative with my ideas and coming up with lots of different ideas to solve a simple problem, so the ideation process. And I overcame this by just really not holding any ideas back, just really going for it and saying the idea even if it didn't seem like a great idea. As a part of the workshop, we presented our solution to someone in the industry, and we were given feedback on how we could apply this into the real world. And this was really good because it really gave us some insight into what we were doing.
And we had a great exchange of ideas, so I would recommend this program to people who enjoy collaborating with other people, find joy in teamwork, and would like to innovate for new things in the future.